So how to create a pivot chart, you ask? It is really simple. All you need to do is just follow few steps and you have your pivot chart ready, which is completely interactive. Now all you have to do is select any cell in the dataset you have and rush into the insert toolbar. Then in the group of charts, you have an option called pivot chart. Select on it. Now you'll be asked to select the data range, and you can see Excel has automatically selected all the range that you want to include in your pivot chart. Then you have another option which is asking you to either create the pivot chart in the current worksheet or a new worksheet. For now, let's select a new worksheet. And there you go. Voila. The pivot chart is completely ready. You might ask me, this is completely empty. Yes, the default pivot chart, what you get from Excel, will be completely empty, but you can add the legends and all the data that you want to add onto your pivot chart just by dragging and dropping the data from the right hand side of your Excel sheet, that is from the pivot chart fields. So you can see we have various options: region, category, state, subcategory, sales, quantity, etc. Now I'll add region. I'll add region to access. And comparatively, we will see the sales that are happening in those particular regions by dragging sales into values. Now you have all the data in the form of pivot chart, which is completely interactive, which represents the sales happening in those regions. Now you can also select a particular region, right? By default, all the regions are selected, but if you want to select only central, then you can do that by deselecting everything and select only central and select OK, and there you go. You have all the data related to the sales happening in the central region. Now, if you want to, kind of see all the categories of sales happening in all the regions, you can drag the category into values again. And in the region part, okay, I think we have to add category into legends. Yes. Now, select regions, that is all regions, and select OK, and you can see the category-wise sales in all the regions at one single go. And I hope you did not observe it clearly. The Excel also gives you the completely prepared pivot table as well, right, which is also interactive. You can also get to choose the data from here as well and select OK, and you'll see that being reflected on the pivot chart. So here you can see both pivot table and pivot charts are completely interactive. Now